Mami sanso Emma wakwa baby Coastal TV morning mix jumedie no na ogusu a wo hwe no. Maka che se kopum se no ndu bebo no morning mix jumedie no that's why wo ha. Na se ye pon krampo na 24-hour economy no ye adwuma wo Coastal TV nti bo modi an se wunyi we fidie no emfiri ye digital channel yi so 514 ananso se wonsesa channel no e Facebook ananso YouTube unscrolli entwem ne mo wo begina ha na efe woni ye edi enkita ho. Enti no me ka che se me was surprised kese bi edema ane me surprise no me crave Chinese maimu na me de baye enye made in Ghana we eye made in China mbahye na Chinese atare fefefe and my packaging nice and na me de abedru ewo studio ha say na ne ate ne se ye beka Chinese kasa enti no ena no me din de AFIBA ESSIEN biem no frame AFIBA chinhwashin me din ye no mpacha opa and China na me wa beka ofia say enti no bomode ase woni ye ebedi nkita ho ne ate ne se yakwakoye Ghana fo no ye ne aman bebre ene di nkita ho e wo Ghana ha say US for ho UK France Russia China fo nso e wo ha say ye wo Chinese businesses bebre e wo Ghana ha say ye keep kosa ya mpo no ye wo AFIMA yes anso ewo Red Star Mall ni nyina eyenyumeku a Chinese for na ba bebie wo Ghana ha say omafa Ghana for say yenye adwuma ewo ho nti no adwuma no modia ne mumaja eboa ma yenso youth yetiminya employment kakra na say etsa dia na ye wo Chinese tourists nso ewo yentem no at least I was saying so yetimi ka omo kasa kakra because omo ba ha mo try aso mbe sua twi no onya hu fan Chinese ni a wo ka fanti a o ka fanti a onka say ye China kra na ewo no ebi mu ya de mu sua nti o say so ye bomodin say ye bi sua omo kasa ne kakra usua brofo na wo we brofo na usua China kakra so ka ho nti wo hia omo a ene na ni hao ma ejere ehwa na metimi de ese o mintimi nko baby abiem ane nti no na chese yesua Chinese kasa no na eboa ma ye dada setna ye dada nkita hodie no ekoso school ba ko a agidin ewo mfimfim mantem ha say ya chese omo no omo ye ade ese ba ne se ye nche French adesua ewo basic level na omo ye ade pa ewo mu eye Went Height Creative Academy matekra se omu age abasobode kra ewo ho nti ene no ewo se ye twemben wo mu ene omu edi nkomo ni bi so omo so omo sha asese omu sua ye Chinese language kasai ene ni ekeka ho nyina no ewo se ekoso na ehu competition bi a ekoso ewo eye Kumase efa no Chinese language ho sa school yi ene di kan ene ye ne contestant a okogina ma school no ye ne ni wo fia sei ye ne no e ba betwetwe nkomo meni agi bebe nti na asem me kasa ye tenti fache me na ma minna ye ahoko a wo fia sei no menda omode so omonya ho biem o ma ba be kan ye Coastal TV ebusua no ho na mene Belinda Nanama Hammond ene wo fia sei ono no ye teacher ni ewo Went Height Creative Academy o kire niema bebe o boss kire mo behind the scenes o boss nso a kire ye sefo ne ahwefo sanso ena winner of the winners what I say winner for nyina winner ono ena ye Chinese competition ni obo modin ejina ye ka Chinese wa ne ye de abasobode e che no ye de share no ono so eye Prince AMISSAH announcer na fancy for that say AMISSAH no Prince AMISSAH ono ena mene no emine onwu nua ewo fia say ono ye student na waje abasobode enso ama Went Height me mama kwa abaso kokra eba Coastal TV so you busy thank you busy say you dance and then you mix no you ka Chinese you ka brofo you ka fancy cheese e ka ho timpacho bomodi answer woni ye ebetna ane Madam Belinda me da se pan say no what me e the Prince abefi ha na mama be do time mo time no de mo fa ni agokra me no bi edi kisa won na so mo do mo time so a the level of respect no e different ti yada masepa se mo ba bedru hantem okay enti no Madam Belinda ona obesha ase e ama mi a na fe me ne Prince so edi nkomo special enti Madam Belinda e teacher ni e wo Went Height me pese obeka bibi fa school no ho ache se ka Winged Heights Creative Academy a e dey na nkofo enni mo pa e wo ho
yo the Winged Heights Creative Academy a trilingual teaching school a Asnazi Cape Coast day and boarding wabofra besimi about na obesiade and we are also known for Chinese lessons and Chinese related activities. Yes, please.
Over the years now, Chinese related activities been 1 year at school and say more engaging in outside the school.
All right, we are called Chinese trips baby outside Cape Coast and inside Cape Coast. We are called Tank Palace. We've been there like thrice to do or perform Chinese dances. Now, so yeah, to me call Kumasi any temas so for other programs, very beneficial and educative. Yes, please.
Oh, okay. So you say French, Chinese
languages. Yes.
Mo share say mo share Chinese no in field go say na mo share school na say na mo the Chinese me share say.
Yes. Yes, yeah, share school na say na the Chinese lessons na share say. Nti omo ba nkwala no. They've been abreast with it and they have built their lessons in Chinese and they are practically using it too. Yes, please.
School no dey fear do say.
Okay, Pacho, it's been years, but we say 5 years. Yeah.
And then some more 5 years.
That's when we moved to our current location. Okay. Yes, please.
Okay. Right. I see. And see, apart from Chinese, no, and then subjects being much school.
Okay. Yeah, try English, French, Chinese, Fancy, then ICT, career technology, RME, social studies, and integrated science, so as mathematics.
Oh, okay. So more subjects now, but more the difference only some of the languages.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
it's very dominant. Yeah.
Okay. And then no, Mama kase school bia mission and vision. So about Winged Heights then you because mission and vision at school.
We encourage students to develop their leadership, teamwork, and we help them to be creative and also confident. Yes, enough, and also portray good morals whenever we are outside. And also our mission is to give quality education at its best, to provide good leaders and good citizens for the future. Yes, please.
So no specific crèche and class ben.
Pacho from crèche to JHS 3.
To JHS 3.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Now, say Yabaha, say no friends no to me a Chinese. You say Casa away, Miss Yadin.
Yes.
Yamuna, ye pump a low food, ye PC, Suyabi, Yana in Sembri. Now, say a bit is a prince with me a Chinese language now. Not just a major say more introducing even at the crèche level and now class ben no and son with me more introducing languages na man. Okay,
so right from nursery 1 to JHS 3, we are all encouraged and we are all supposed to learn the Chinese language. Yes.
Okay. Me go school no. That time my teacher with me trouble class name speak English only. When speaking English I say my better no. Into more there no more because I am trilingual and more encouraging all forms of languages as a form of communication school and as society saying.
Yeah, so Fridays are portioned for Chinese. So Fridays are mostly known as Chinese speaking days. Yeah, so on Friday, that's when we do everything about Chinese. We speak Chinese. Sometimes we eat Chinese foods and we do Chinese related activities with aerobics. Everything is in Chinese. So in our school, Fridays are Chinese days. Yes, please.
And Kuala Lumpur School, Winged Heights Creative Academy, no, or more reception to language learning as a whole no at the time did they feel say bibia was say and as a necessary for life and as say bia me na neighbor school na me person me ba be before for na mo dey ahye me concept insua.
Okay, nti if say you can say most of the students we have now ranging from maybe 2023 going, they came to the school purposely because of our Chinese lessons and activities. Yeah, so they really love to learn new languages and take it into practice. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
It's no. Mami sanso misawe. Waka shame mo aniswa di hu as mo vision am wonti am introduce yes ye Ghana for ye Ghana for na ibi beka so say anyanya me mother tongue kasa bebre na ye mu bebe etino fante shi Hausa ne ade we nyina no yetimi esua wo school na ye say na ye de French Chinese no e ka ho no emphasize what ben na me am ye student afi na me ko school esua ade no ebenya e wo me so sisi a ene dachi.
Okay, so we say Chinese, no, I say you are just trying to learn something just for learning's sake, but it will help you to have a cultural exchange and also communicate to others in the foreign lands. And it also creates partnership and friendship amongst the other countries, like technically the Chinese people. Yes, please.
Chinese embassy or Ghana has a money went hide in someone.
Yes, please, very, very well.
Okay, a taba na say once in a while.
Oh, I am by donations my school. Okay. Programs so they solicit for everything that you are supposed to get, and it makes our life comfortable. And Chinese trips are really fun and enjoyable, and it's very educative too. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, more China.
About to. As part of his award, he's supposed to go to China for 2 weeks.
As part of his award, so go China for 2 weeks. Oh, okay. Okay, and only you better get it down to that level now. If you can't, and no one sent no. Award in the end, you can once. Me, my member will insist on. Na if no, my member will insist. Try answer. Answer na work on answer about how baby. Yet say about the competition now, a course no, a competition I baby di mu komo ene and me say still ko ye wo Kumasi and organized by a Chinese embassy no omwana eja edemo ko na edemo ba na nyame adom matimi nya sa abasbody e ti say answer na mobeko sa competition na mat say bibi sa e koso.
Okay, so me I say I'm an intermediate for the school and the Chinese Confucius office at UCC.
Okay.
So I was told by our Chinese teacher to get some students compete for the Chinese British competition. So I selected about 4 people from my class, of which he was part. Then we went for the audition to the semi-finals into the finals, and he was so good enough to get everything easily, and he was able to. It wasn't an easy one. You have to go through about 18 contestants, and was part of the final 4. So 2 people from my school, himself and a girl, got the chance to go to the finals. Then we went to Kumasi. Okay. Then that's when we went to compete with the other universities. That's the University of Ghana and Common University of Science and Technology. So out of the 12 contestants, God being so good, he came out first. So we are very, very happy for that thing.
Wow, yes. Wow. What kind of university? I don't know. Is it tertiary students are now the basic school at the university?
Okay, so the competition was about basic level to the high school and to the university. Okay. So we were able to win for the basic school, and UPSHS won for the SHS, then UCC won for the university. So we brought all the trophies to Cape Coast.
Maybe I will be a bonsem my me say we are the best amongst the rest, and we are just argue with your television set and your phone. Me dem come here and yes suppose no mo ya there me ankasa be ko UCC ntino me phone to me ho kakra na eja congratulations to us, congratulations to Went Height, congratulations to UCC, congratulations to UPSC. My idea. And now Prince, let me come to you. You are the contestants. You are the one who went to face the people there. Those all the other contestants from other schools, you went to see them. When your madam said that you were going to contest in this competition, how did you feel?
It was very challenging and exciting.
And exciting at the same time?
Yes.
Why do you say that?
Because some students, some of them can't speak the Chinese well, but because I can speak the Chinese very well.
Why can you speak the Chinese very well? Because I know that language learning is not an easy task. It's very difficult, even for some of us. So what makes it so easy for you?
Chinese learning is not hard.
Okay.
It's very exciting and fun. Every language, Chinese is the simplest language that you can learn easily.
Okay. I think I have to change the language I'm learning to Chinese. Okay. So when you are learning it, when you're in the house, or let's say after school and then you go home and then you are revising your notes and doing your Chinese lessons, what are some of the things do you do? Do you like sing? Do you put it in a poem? What do you do?
I sing with it.
You sing with the Chinese language?
Yes.
And then today you sing for me. I want to hear you sing. Okay, so today I want you to sing for me, but you will do that after, when we are done, we are about to close the program, then you will do the singing. Okay. So when you went to Kumasi and then you met all those people, I once went for a contest like that, and then when I saw people who were bigger and taller than me, I was like, hey, will I be able to win this contest? Did you feel the same way, or was it a different experience for you?
I was very scared.
Really?
Yes.
Why were you scared?
Because the people there, they were taller than me. I was the shortest person there.
Oh, you are my mates. We are in this together. We are in this together. So you felt scared that maybe you will not be able to win the contest, looking at those people, their heights.
Yes.
I see. But when you finally got into action, and then you started answering questions, probably you saw that you were answering questions better than those people. Did you still have the same feeling?
No.
Okay. At that time, now the pressure has come down.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I see. Tell me, what was some of the activities that you did during the competition? Some of the questions or activities that they asked you to do?
I said a speech in Chinese, and I'm a big fan of Chinese Kung Fu too.
Okay. Okay, so you can do martial arts?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Multi-talented. Okay, so you had martial arts performance over there?
Yes.
Okay. You were the one who won?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How many people did you fight?
18 people.
18 people?
Yes.
And you were able to beat them all?
Yes.
Wow. Congrats. Let me shake your hands again. Congratulations. You are doing very well. You are doing very. Are your parents proud of you?
Yes.
How did they show it?
They gave me a surprise.
What was that?
Phone.
They gave you a phone?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I'm saying thank you to them on your behalf. Okay. All right. So now you know how to speak Chinese. You can do martial arts. In fact, you can express yourself in Chinese. How is this helping you academically? First of all, let me even ask you, what are your Chinese grades? How are they looking?
It's very nice.
Like AAA or 111?
AAA.
AAA.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Then you don't call university and valedictorian straight to. Wow. You're doing well. I can see you have that fire in you. It's like you're always ready to learn. Congratulations once again on your winning.
Thank you.
You are welcome. So now that you are a winner, what are we going to expect from you, Prince, with regards to the Chinese language? What are you going to do with it when you grow?
Engineer.
You want to be an engineer?
I want to be engineer in China.
You want to be an engineer in China?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's why you are learning the Chinese language like that, eh?
Yes.
I see. But I don't know. Engineers, what has engineers got to do with languages? What has you, an engineer, how is the Chinese going to help you to be a better engineer?
Especially the lights and those things. Let me say electrician.
Okay.
The lights, bulbs, I want to fix them. I want to make my own business.
Okay.
With the light and those things.
Now I can say that you have a direct partnership with the Chinese embassy here. So when you are ready, just go to them, tell them that you've come. You're going to come to collect sponsorship, they will give it to you.
Okay.
You know that's right.
Yes.
All right, so tell me, your friends that you are learning the Chinese with at school, how do they also find the Chinese language? Do they find it as easy as you are finding it?
Yes, they find it easy.
What shows?
They learn it with time. In the time that they will learn with it, you see that they are serious.
Okay. But you don't take a lot of time to do the learning,
yes.
right? Oh, okay. So you are getting A. I'm sure they are getting like AB or something like that.
Yes.
Okay. I'm sure you teach them all.
Yes,
don't you
I sometimes teach them. Especially my classmates.
Especially your classmates?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's nice of you. Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you.
Keep it up. You said your parents gave you a surprise.
Yes.
What did the school give to you?
The school too gave me a surprise.
Tell me about it.
Television.
They gave you a television?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. One guys, you have done well. If I hadn't given it to him, I would have come to give it to him myself. you have done well. And I can see you are doing very well. Keep it up. Okay? Keep it up. And don't forget that you started from winged height.
Okay.
You know, when you become an engineer in the future, just come back and support the school.
Okay.
In the next 10 years, when I meet you, I'll ask you this particular advice that I gave to you. What you have done with it, I'll ask you. Okay. It's, you know, Prince, onona a year contest no more year. I can see no musi wo kumase Chinese adisuya. Yenka Chinese, yenye martial arts kakra, yenye mathematics ewo Chinese munini na ono ene di nkunim ewo basic level no ono ena edi nkunim. Ono na yene no edi nkomo ya wache say Chinese language angasa no na ye easy. In fact easy class fancy. Timi say me can fancy ye no mekwa kwosua Chinese because fancy you angasa. Okay. Nzeno ne nkoma ye di ewo efe ha say na Madam Belinda, let me come to you again. So now Prince here is telling me that he wants to be an engineer in China. That's why he's so bent on learning the Chinese language. There are some of us, we don't want to be an engineer. We don't want to, we want to probably be seamstresses, we want to be carpenters, we want to be media people like myself. We want to do a whole lot of things in our field of work, in our various field of work. Do you think the Chinese language, no, it has a place, it has a role to play in our field of work, Anna?
Yes, I think Chinese is supposed to be a dominant language so that we can relate with other people's, and I can attest to the fact that Chinese are very dominant in Ghana, and they have industries that provide all kinds of machines for every field of work. Yeah, so you having a fair idea about some of the things you will need in the place of work, you can apparently ask them or go to them or buy from them. And some of the manuals too, mostly they are in Chinese. So you learning it now will help you to read everything before you use a particular machine. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It means that me myself I have to start learning Chinese.
Yes, please.
Because me say me mama na show me say ni hao. Ni hao. How do you say good morning in Chinese?
Zao shang hao. Zao shang hao.
Zao shang hao. But I just so baby I want to just so Zao shang hao.
Shang hao.
But okay, but I was saying me na mission ni me ba na maka Chinese na maka brofo na ka ho na mesanso aka fancy ni twi ni na e de aka ho enche AFIBA chi so ahen me na mte ya say no and you know Winged Heights Creative Academy and na ye no mo edi enkomo no ene me kofa wo fi China ewo asanazi United States of China and na me no mo ababeju fi say ya ye di enkomo no ane because you say kasa no adults wa Ghana has any nkofo be na ba say omoni e ba bedija nti na Chinese fo mpo ewo nyuma bebre wa say nti imagine say boss ye China ni na one no kasa na boss nti twi onti e fancy na wan kasa nso onti Chinese mo ba den so see na ye bomodin say ye besua kasa hodo aka ye nim dada no ho aba ne sa na all right, now let's talk about the rewards after the competition. One mama said there's going to be a trip, right? What else is going to come with it?
Yes, a cash prize.
Cash prize?
Yes, please.
Okay. Can you disclose the amount, or that one is undisclosed? It's classified.
Yes.
It's classified.
Yes,
okay, no
please.
problem. So there's going to be okay. So that is print on the screen. What do you say? Martial arts no. We normal global. This year you do call Teaching Hospital because very very important. Wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. All right, Prince, you promised to give me your speech, and then you said you were going to sing for me. Am I lying? Did you promise me? Okay. So now I want you to give your speech, that particular speech of yours. I want you to give it. Will you translate it for us? Because some of us we don't understand. You will summarize. Yes. So you give it to me, and then you summarize it for me. Let's go. Start. Let's go. Ready? Hey. No, don't say all that. Say the first paragraph and the second paragraph. Okay. Let's go.
大家好，我叫王子，是一名小学生。我非常开心能站在这里，和大家分享我学习中文的快乐。在接触中文之前，我只知道中国是一个很远、很美的国家，心里充满了好奇。刚开始学习中文的时候，我常常在想，中文到底是什么意思的呢？中文说起来难不难？写起来好玩吗？带着这些小小的疑问，我开始了我的中文学习之旅。谢谢。
我看以为我是谢谢 is thank you
Yes.
谢谢thank you me say ma tema so din se me pese me ti bibi shawarma nkwa ni pizza nkwa na ekoso me chi me nte hwe wo se me yana me sua Chinese at least nyam ni be twetwa me ho ni hao de minim ni hao and de minim na say me hu share o ma kire me good morning say but me catch you say me we fi me catch you ready munyam say me we fi good morning so say me san ko ba na me kosua. Okay, what about the song?
As for the song, okay, I'll sing it.
Okay, sing it for me.
船街明月关，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，举头数不相。月儿高高挂，思念心中扬。一笑的颜色伴我无个乡。谢谢。
谢谢 Prince, thank you very much. You are supposed to summarize your speech for me. Okay, what did you say?
My name is Prince.
Okay.
And I'm a primary school student.
Okay.
I'm one of the contestants of the Chinese Bridge.
Okay.
And I'm coming to talk about how China is.
Okay.
China has beautiful places, cute pandas, and learning Chinese, is it difficult? Writing characters, is it difficult too? And listening to their song, is it difficult? And Chinese lessons, is it simple too? Thank you, that's what I said.
Wow. You've done well. What about on the song? Is it an anthem?
No, the song is like a love song.
It's a love song. Okay, so they're saying I love you and I want to be with you and stay with me forever. Don't leave me. I see. Okay. Thank you very much, Prince. I can see you've done very, very well. And you know, I can say Chinese fluently. On the one making mistake, one to comma, one chalky baby. Kind of what starts and send your own music. Thank you very much, Prince. All right. So, would you like to pursue Chinese in the tertiary level, or let's say the senior high level?
Yes.
You like to pursue Chinese, eh?
Yes.
All right. All the best. I know Confucius in UCC, and I have some friends there, and they can speak Chinese like correct Chinese. Correct Chinese, oh, very, very nice Chinese. So I know that if you go there, your chances of becoming a professor emeritus in Chinese language is very, very high. So yeah, Thank you very, very much for this very interactive session. Madam Belinda and our winner, the winner of all winners, Prince AMISSAH. God bless the two of you. And you know, Chinese kasano, and na ya kane wawa wata na ni ewie no. And also min cheche umawa nyawoche eche me kosua ba me ba be kembi ede acho. Madam Belinda and Prince, please, your last words before we escort you.
So, I want to say that Woolwich Heights Creative Academy is, as you know, a trilingual teaching school, and it starts from the preschool to the JHS. And next academic year, admission is in progress, so you can bring in your words and expect the best from us. And also, we want to invite all of you to our graduation happening on 31st July 2026. Our winner will be performing, so you can't afford to lose this nice performance, an amazing one. So you're all invited. And I'd like to give out our numbers in case you want to bring your words. You can contact Madam.
All right, the number is it an MTN number or Airtel?
Please, MTN.
MTN.
024
024
972
972
0076.
0076. All right.
Okay.
So if you call this number, somebody will attend to us.
Yes, please.
All right. Would you like to give a shout out to the principal?
Okay, so I want to say shout outs to Miss Natasha Beji, the principal of Woolwich Heights Creative Academy, and Mr. Emmanuel Donko, the proprietor of Woolwich Heights Creative Academy, for this opportunity given. Thank you.
You're welcome. What about Prince? Who are you giving a shout out to?
I'm giving a shout out to our principal.
Okay. What about your parents?
And my parents.
What about your friends?
My friends.
Okay, so thank you all very much for tuning into Coastal TV. Morning Mix Jumedi and the Guso Edi Brown coming back become prophecies here. And you know, yade yahohoi ebesia say na efe yeja omo kwan ama omo akọ. Ye ntwa ho nja abo afon krato ebesa abasisia.
Sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko mu a enye sunsu aso bone ewo wapomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so kitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
NPA National Petroleum Authority Sanson and na Patmo print also printi bibia anti shonechi kwan ewo pedu fire service headquarters Roma sorry dan ne star headquarters no edi nhwenim no Roma sorry dan ne chi eho na Patmo ewo details kitchen services say or train one no aduane no a wo train wo ewo Abra market Kofi Apo cluster of stores ti bomode asa wo befa ho na wakwa akwaje odi efefefe saa na ye no sanso na diesel gift shop se beje wa chede no ewo no ho na fakoma obi a opese ode emano sanso ena next ventures and so we can show say nyema na ohwehwe de asiesie ofie wo kitchen wo bedroom wo washroom nyina no owo bi wo ho nti bomode ase wo behwehwe no ewo Abra opposite Methodist church no akwaje odi efefefe abwafoi na aso yase anope ye de Coastal TV morning mix jumedie no ye de ababesumo. I hope say when it Jimmy surprise no I hope say surprise now me de brew no when ni eje ho and from time to time, many surprises are to say no yes so say a day amount. Meda say so we do a video no at Coastal TV morning mix channel 514 Facebook and YouTube so o share wo na meda say pa say oni ye etna ye na me show nkran so say bomodia na oni ye ndi ehye wo na tie ne say nyame ya adoma ade papa bi eche na say ochina no nsu anto mepointutu agrada mpapai na se bibia ye asundwemuli ekwan so a ye the Coastal TV Community Connect ye de bebrel ane me se Community Connect no ye de ebebrel ye de ko Crew Town eho na ye kwa kodi ye djuma no nti bomode research na no oni ebebuki appointment so wobetumi anante aba ye grounds ho na bomodin na bra na oni emedi djuma no so wontimi anante mbanso no problem odi ehwehwe e wo Facebook Coastal TV Cape Coast na hwehwe e wo YouTube Coastal TV anaso say tune in scan your channel no digital 514 no na hwehwe ubenya Coastal TV na efe woni ye edi djuma bia na yebedi ewo Community Connect djumedie no ase eneba bebre ene beba mpanyimfo bebre ene beba enwei ena se wo asem bi kan ewo se wo ba na wo beka anasa wo se wo send message na wonka na wombisa enche pani bi abepese obebisa no sa asem no ebia na sa opportunity we twemu a onye bi nti bomodin se obeye ne sa ma na efe no ye bekinkan questions na mampanyimfo no eyi ano ede amount nti bomodin se oni ebebuki appointment achina Crew Town ye bedi ehia ewo ho na efe ye di Community Connect djumedie no fefefe we ni nkomo nso a medi ejawo mepa chawo medaswa ton CNC marketable skills training forms no medaswa ton bi bomodia na bajo de ne aka no ketikiti bi nti se wa ma bajo de a esape enye obi le kumentwi wa na wa ye ho nti bomodia na fa coastal TV fear say na bra bajo de o mo say obeso nsu de we yiti de we aye boti de we a ye dreadlocks de we aye makeup so beti ye twi ni panim ama wase ni pamofo krampo na ye bi e wo ho makeup ahodo ni nyina makeup ni difference wo mu on say ye acting na de we ankofo si ye makeup mo o set na ya bro no ni nyina e wo ho bra na besua bi ane bra na besua de we si ye beat work itimi e pamatare bra na besua bi nti ba cho CNC for me kan cho say forms no egu nti bra na bajo de na kokosua na ye bosu ye wo 27th no be sha ase na efei omodi akwa wie ye August bosu me ye 1 month training nti bomodi na bajo forms edie memphas de di onso emma meet him ode bia omosore ahomache 1 ebom paye emma coastal TV omosanso eye niema ebebo emma coastal TV production na abaso se me betena na me kasa bebre a enye because bia me na mako chinchin camera no me na mako mini hwehwe me dia na se me kasa na emom no obi gina camera na chi a o chinchim obi nso etimfidie no ho o hwe se we beba enti no ben ene eje me se nyankopon onhira mo pa na mo de mo nsabe kan bia enye nhira enye mo anke enti menye morning miss e wo fiase in fact enti menye program bia mpo e wo fiase sanso na me ne ampoma delfina na yede newspaper e de ebremo media wo de fami ameje so e AFIBA ESSIEN nyame adom achina enhia wo Coastal TV Community Connect Crew Town mo ma bai